Seeking support is crucial in navigating the challenges of university-level coursework. Seeking support can be expedient or adaptive. Expedient help seeking is focused on immediate problem solving. Let's say you're struggling with a particular concept in one of your classes. By approaching your tutor, lecturer, or knowledgeable classmate for the solution, you aim to find a swift way to meet your deadlines effectively. This type of support is immediate, but it may not help you develop a deeper understanding of similar problems later on. Alternatively, adaptive help seeking is focused on developing your problem-solving skills and improving your learning process in the long term. Let's explore some facets of adaptive help seeking. Reflecting on your strengths and areas for improvement can help you pinpoint when you should seek help. You might do some practice quizzes or practice essay or assessment questions to help you understand which concepts you may need clarification on. Understanding your learning preferences can help you seek the support that will be the most effective for you. It's good to seek help as soon as difficulties or questions arise, rather than waiting until the problem is more urgent. You can reach out to your tutor or lecturer for a consultation to ask questions and gain clarification on topics you are finding difficult. You can form or join a study group with classmates to share insights, discuss complex concepts, and support one another. Academic support services at your university can support you with workshops, drop-in sessions, mentoring programs, and more. If one approach isn't effective, try different approaches until you find what works best for you. By actively engaging in class discussions and asking questions, your tutors and lecturers will be able to give you the most valuable guidance and feedback. Remember, seeking help is a strength. Familiarise yourself with your university's academic support services to guide you when you require support.